Hello everyone, I am Jivudai Kumar. I am the team leader of this project.
Hello everyone, my name is Navin Kumar. I am the project designer of this project.
Hello everyone, my name is Prasad. In this project, I am the project manager.
Hello everyone, I am myself Shashank. I am the source manager of this project.
Hello everyone, my name is Jivradadi. I am the budget manager of this project.
This project is done by under the guidance of P. Mahesh Babu sir, CA department, S. Suresh sir, CA department, B. Sirisha ma'am, CA department. While watering the plants or gardens, newly constructed buildings, two people are required to pour the water. So we reduce that problem and we come up with a solution. This is the solution is smart watering.
Start.
To overcome the problem, we designed a business model and the components required in this model are wall controller, Arduino Nano, Bluetooth module, driver module and jumper wires. These are the components required to run the smart watering process and to run the business model, and it is a simple and easy way to automatically turn off or turn on the water pipe.
My name is Jivradadi. The budget of this project is 800 and the wall control is 300 and Arduino Nano is 200 and Bluetooth module is 150 and Nano motor driver module is 130 and jumper is 60. Total 800 of this project.
Mechanism of this project is very easy. We have 12 volts battery. We can give the 12 volts supply to driver module. Driver module take output input has 12 volts and give output 5 volts. That 5 volts goes to Arduino Nano. We connect a Bluetooth module to Arduino Nano and we dump a code in Arduino Nano to on off the wall control system code. We dump the code in Nano. Then the driver module have another port. It gives 12 volts as output. That port is connected to wall because wall takes 12 volts to on or off.
Our project is smart watering to overcome the problems. Our goal is to develop the system to allow for the monitoring in water, which would be beneficial to humanity in many ways. The problem is that two people are necessary to control the watering system. When watering plants or garden fresh builds structures, otherwise people frequently leave the pipe on the ground, then wasting the water. Our goal is to develop the system for monitoring the water.
I am the project manager of the project. While we are dumping the code into the Arduino Nano, there is an issue of dumping the code and we identified the problem and we bought a new Arduino Nano. And the mechanism of this project, the battery to driver module and driver module to Nano and Nano to Bluetooth module and Bluetooth module to we have to control the on-off system by the using phone on and off. The existing solutions which we are done in the past, there is a manual systems apps and another one is a solutions which are manual systems and timer systems. The advantages of this our project is time will be saved and energy will be saved.
We have successfully designed and implemented a smart watering system.
Conclusion.
Finally, conclusion of this project, we have successfully designed and implemented a smart watering system with the help of phone by turning off or turning on the wall controller, and also it saves water. Thank you.
Let us see the working of this project. First we have to pour water in this. Then we have one app, that is Arduino Bluetooth control app. In this we can find the device of this module. Just we have to go to switch mode. Now the switch is on, wall is on, water is coming out. Now the switch is off, wall off, Water is also off. This is the output of this project.